Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 13, that is fill in the blanks. Here you see that is fill in the blanks. Two angles are complementary if two angles are complementary then the sum of their measure is 90 degree, right? Then the measure of their then the sum of their measure is 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary then the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Supplementary means the sum of the two angles would be 180 degree and complementary means the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, right? Two angles forming a linear pair are always supplementary, right? That is, two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. They form a linear pair, right? If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. If two lines intersect at a point, then vertically opposite angles are always equal. You know this one? If two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Question number 6. If two lines intersect at a point, and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angle. We'll find this one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. We'll solve why this is obtuse angle. Suppose this is the vertically opposite angle, right? One angle is, suppose, the vertically opposite angle. One angle is, suppose, acute angle, that means less than 90, suppose 50 degree. If this is 50 degree, the vertically opposite angle will also 50 degree, right? And here see, this is a straight line. So this angle plus this is equal to 180 degree. Suppose this is x. That means x plus 50 x plus 50 degree should be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because this is a angle on a straight line, right? Therefore you can say that x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. If you subtract this one, that is 180 degree minus 50 degree, what you are getting, that is 0, 30, 130 degree. That is x is equal to 130 degree. If this is 130 degree, this will also be 130 degree. Therefore, the question was, if two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute means less than 90 degree, that is 50, 40, right? Then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angle, right? This is the solution of question number 13 of exercise 5.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.